In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage team members on Podia. Managing your team effectively is crucial for the smooth running of your online courses and communities, and Podia makes this process straightforward and efficient. We'll walk through each step to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to invite and manage team members within your Podia platform. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Podia dashboard. This is the control center of your Podia account, where you can access all the different features and tools Podia offers. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll find various options. You'll want to click on the option labeled Community. This section is where you can manage different aspects of your online community, including your team members. After selecting Community, you'll see a new set of options. Look for and click on the Members tab. This section is dedicated to managing the people who are part of your community, and importantly, your team members. Once you're here, you have the ability to see all the current members who are part of your community. This is where the true management begins. You can invite new team members by sending them an invitation through Podia. To do this, you'll typically find an Invite button or option. Clicking this will allow you to enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite, sending them a direct invitation to join your team. Managing your team is not just about adding new members. You also have the capability to adjust roles and permissions. This means you can customize what each team member can do based on their responsibilities. For example, some team members might need access to course creation tools, while others might be more focused on community engagement. Make sure you tailor these permissions to fit the needs of your team and your business goals. Additionally, if at any point you need to remove a team member, you can do so from this section as well. This ensures that your team stays up to date and only includes active contributors. Remember, efficient team management on Podia not only helps you, but also improves the experience for your community. It ensures that everyone has the right access and tools to contribute effectively. Whether you're expanding your team or simply maintaining it, Podia provides you with all the necessary tools to keep everything running smoothly. Thank you for watching this guide on managing team members on Podia. We hope this has been helpful, and we encourage you to explore Podia's features further to maximize your team's productivity. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy managing!